Hey, this is Mrs. Warren, and if you missed August 28th, 2018 from any of the history classes at BBJH, this is probably the reason why you're watching this video. Today's lesson focused on the early Jamestown. This was the first permanent English colony, and so many colonists died. So we did some little background reading together. First, we're going to do a little bit of reading on the background of Jamestown and what happened. And we did this at a class, so you're going to have to do it on your own. First, you're going to number every paragraph as you're reading it, and there is some questions on the back that you're going to have to answer. One thing that you probably need to do is as you're reading, I want you to highlight all of the things that could have caused a colonist to die. Now, that sounds a little bit morbid, but that's what you have to do. We're going to use this in class again. Now, we also did write hashtag summaries. A hashtag needs to have at least 3 words with it that gives you a fact about something that's in that paragraph. So you should have a total of 6 because there are 6 reading paragraphs. Just write those hashtags just on the side in the margin of the reading selection. Once again, we are going to continually ask this question for the next 3 days. Why did so many colonists die at Jamestown? What were the causes? And today's lesson should have given you a little bit more of an idea. Now, as a closing task today, we took the facts about Jamestown that we learned, and on a piece, or excuse me, an index card, we wrote a 3 to 4 sentence summary. Now, sentence 1 always has to include the time and place. It was Jamestown. It was 1607. It was in Virginia. Add a little bit more detail by the Chesapeake Bay. So this is going to start us off. In 1607, Jamestown was established in Virginia near or on the Chesapeake Bay. That's an example of what you could do as sentence number 1. Now, in addition to that, you need 2 to 4 more sentences to set the scene of the story. Use your hashtags as guides. Here we have hope and dreams. We have some dangers that are arriving, some really bad hardships, and of course, the fact that they did end up surviving, but barely. So, you should be turning this in to your teacher, and that will be expected within a day or 2.